This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making steamed water eggs. This is a really quick and easy recipe to make. We'll start by beating up 4 eggs in a bowl. Then add the same amount of warm boiled water. This is about 250 ml. The warm water makes the egg silky smooth and tender. Do not use hot water or you'll cook the eggs. And do not use cold water or the eggs will become hard. Next, add salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Mix this well. Use a sieve to strain the eggs. You will find bubbles on top of the eggs. Remove these bubbles with a spoon so that you get a smooth surface when the eggs are steamed. Steam the eggs over medium heat for about 8 minutes. You will know that the eggs are done when the sides are relatively firm and the center would jiggle like jello. If it's too watery, let it steam a little longer. Top the eggs with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, some green onions, and fried shallots. Link to the fried shallots recipe in the description below. This is a really quick and easy recipe: Chinese steamed water eggs.